Welcome back to Kansas Weather Watch. I'm meteorologist Josh Duncan, and we've got a big-time storm system getting ready to impact the state starting tonight with a risk of severe weather across much of central and eastern Kansas. The risk is greatest in that yellow shaded region, which does include the Wichita metro tonight. So here's a look at future view. We're dry through about 9 o'clock this evening, and then some scattered thunderstorms will start to develop and form into a line of storms, and they should reach Wichita before or around midnight tonight with a risk of severe weather. Then the storms moving into far eastern Kansas into early Tuesday morning. So the risk of severe weather tonight includes a very low threat of an isolated tornado or two. Also a low threat of hail that could be up to quarter size in a few isolated areas, and winds that could gust up to 60 or 65 miles per hour for a brief time as the storms move through tonight. So picking back up with a future view tomorrow morning. Again, heavy rain across far eastern Kansas early Tuesday morning. So you're going to need the rain jacket, the umbrella. The roads are going to be wet for your morning commute tomorrow in the far east. Meanwhile, in the far northwest, we've got heavy snow for Goodland, for St. Francis. It is going to be coming down as snow early Tuesday morning. So plan on that for your morning commute. As we get later into the morning on Tuesday, the rain is really going to start to shift out into Missouri for the most part, and the snow in the northwest becomes a little bit lighter. So a lot of the state will actually be mostly dry for the middle of the day or some very light precip going on. And then as we get into the afternoon, some more showers and storms should begin to develop in northeast Kansas. Meanwhile, the light snow continues to move east, and that'll be affecting parts of central Kansas Tuesday afternoon into Tuesday evening. And then it really starts to become all snow Tuesday night across the far northeast, but it's all out of here by Wednesday morning. The snow will be long gone, but the winds will still be hanging around into early Wednesday. Take a look at these peak wind gusts coming our way Tuesday evening. Widespread winds gusting to 50 or 60 miles per hour across the state. And we are concerned that this could lead to some isolated tree damage and power outages, as these winds will be lasting for at least a few hours in most locations, if not a little bit longer. So that's something that we're a bit concerned about. We also know that the winds and snow will create blowing snow in areas of reduced visibility. It looks to last the longest in far northwest Kansas, late tonight into early Tuesday morning, and then again in far northeast Kansas tomorrow evening into tomorrow night. That's the way it looks right now. If you've got to travel, even though the roads may be wet or slushy, not too bad, the visibility could be severely limited when the snow is coming down. And it's not going to be a whole lot of snow. Light accumulations possible across mainly northern and eastern portions of the state, but it doesn't take much snow when you combine it with very strong winds to lead to reduced visibility. So that's why the blizzard warning is in effect, not for the amount of snow that we're going to get. But here's another look at the timeline. Topeka, the rain looks to start after midnight tonight. There will be some lulls. It won't be raining throughout the whole day Tuesday, and then that changeover occurring after dark, and then it's all snow for a few hours tomorrow night. Wichita has that storm risk coming in this evening into the early overnight, and then another light band of rain or rain-snow mix is possible tomorrow afternoon into tomorrow evening. Haze, the storms are going to just miss you to the east tonight, and then a little bit of rain or snow possible tomorrow afternoon. That's the timeline for this storm. And then after this storm moves through, we are going to get a cooler shot of air with highs in the upper 30s for Kansas City on Wednesday, rebounding to the mid to upper 40s for Thursday and Friday. And then we should start heading even warmer for the start of the weekend. That's the latest on this big storm heading to Kansas. Stay safe, and thanks for watching.